Hi, I'm Rose. Welcome to my channel, Evergreen Vlog. You guys know I love traveling, and usually I pack my suitcase the day before I travel. It takes me like 10 minutes to pack it. Today I'm going to show you how I organize and pack my suitcase in 10 minutes. You only need to follow 4 steps. And let me show you my packing checklist. You can download it for free. You're welcome. And the link is below in the video description area. For example, if I go to the beach for 3 days and 2 nights, I grab my checklist, go to the clothes closet, and find items I need. Okay, I got everything I need from the clothes closet, and I got the jewelries too. And then I grab my checklist, go to my bathroom, and get the toiletries I need. Let me show you how I pack my toiletries into my toiletry bag. I like to travel light, so I only bring essentials with me, and I roll up clothing to save space in the suitcase. Let me show you how I organize and pack my suitcase. I like to start with heavy pieces and then light pieces. So I put the toiletry bag at the bottom. Flip-flops. Shorts, t-shirts, dress, sleepwear, and swimsuit. And a hat because it's light. I usually put socks and underwear in the pocket. And zip it. Buckle and zip everything in the suitcase. I like to put laundry bags in the pocket. This is for underwear, and this is for clothing. And usually I bring some Ziplocs with me. And we're done with the packing.
Yay!
I label my toiletry bag. So when I pack, I only need to put toiletry items into these 4 categories. You can keep some travel-size skincare products in your toiletry bag so that next time when you travel, you don't have to pack them again. I showed you how to organize and pack a suitcase in 10 minutes. You only need to follow 4 steps. Hope my video can make your packing experience less stressful. If you like my video, please like, subscribe, and share. Live in the present. See you next time. Bye.